Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is description about processor latency algorithm internet presentation by group 7. And this is memory name. And then let's go to start the video. Enjoy for the watching.
Okay, processor. A processor, also known as a central processing unit (CPU), is a computer main component that controls and executes instructions to run the operating system and application. A processor's main function is to interpret, process, and execute instructions from software and hardware programs. It also performs basic arithmetic, logic, and input or output operation. A processor's speed measured GHz determines how quickly it can perform computations and execute instructions. A processor contains one or more processing cores, which can execute instructions independently and in parallel. A processor having a 64-bit and 32-bit are the data size that can be processed by the GPU in one cycle. A processing having a GPU, graphic processing unit, integrated in the processor.
Hello, my name is Jihanada Harigandi. I will explain here about latency. Latency is the amount of time it takes for data to travel from one point to another on a network. Definition: latency is the delay between when a user acts on a network and when they receive a response. It's measured in milliseconds. Factors: latency can be caused by a number of factors, including distance, the transmission medium, and the speed at which routers receive and forward data. Impact: high latency can result in poor website performance, negatively affect SEO, and cause users to leave the site. Measurement: latency is often measured between a user's device and a data center. Optimization: to optimize performance, it's important to reduce causes of latency and to test site performance emulating high latency. Latency can also refer to a state of temporary inactivity.
My name is Nailul. I will explain here about algorithm. An algorithm is a set of instructions that are followed in order to solve a problem or perform a task. Definition: an algorithm is a sequence of steps that define how to solve a problem or perform a task. Purpose: algorithms are used for to perform a calculation, process data, or make decisions. Example algorithm can be used for simple tasks like baking a cake, or for more complex tasks like analyzing large datasets in machine learning. Characteristic algorithms involve repetition and decision making to solve a problem. They are designed to produce consistent and reliable outcomes. Written description and written description of algorithm should be easy to understand, use short sentences, and include all the elements of the problem decomposition.
Hello, my name is Talita. I will explain here about Ethernet. Ethernet is a technology that allows devices to connect to a network and communicate with each other using cables. How it works: Ethernet uses a set of rules or protocol to describe how devices format and transmit data. This allows devices to recognize, receive, and process information from other devices on the same network. Where its use, Ethernet is commonly used in local area networks (LAN) and wide area networks. 1. It used in homes, office, school, hospital, universities, and by gamers. Benefits: Ethernet offers several benefits, including reliability. A reliability Ethernet is generally more reliable than wireless LAN WLAN technology. Security: Ethernet is more secure than wireless technology because devices must be securely connected. High bandwidth: Ethernet offers high bandwidth connection.